So what do you think about the auto dresser on this machine?
It should be on every machine. I've never had one. So much time savings. I said, you always know where you're at. You know, there's no going touching manually and then coming up and having to find your part again. You know where it's at just from how much you tell it to take off, it repeats. You know where you're at.
So basically you can set it up and hey, when it stops, it's done, correct?
Right. Oh, you can run full auto. Tell it where you're at, come in, dress the wheel, keep going and keep going as much as you want. And it'll be there. Like I said, you know,
okay.
I trust it.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that very much.
You're welcome.